Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video I will show you a simple trick how you can delete multiple slides of a presentation on Google Slides really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So make sure you drop a like, follow along, and now let us get started. So this is actually so super simple, guys. Let's assume you have a presentation like this I created for the sake of this tutorial. So you will see the list of all associated slides for a presentation here on the left panel. So let's assume I would like to delete slide number 1, 2, 3, and 4 all at the same time because I don't like them. So what you want to do, guys, is left click on one of these slides. Like for example, let's start with slide number 1. And while you click on it, press and hold left shift on your keyboard, hold it, and simply select the remaining slides like this. Slide number 2, slide number 3, slide number 4. And just like that, to select multiple of them. And after that, simply right click on one of these, select delete from the drop down menu. And voila, as you can see, all 4 of these slides have been deleted with one click of my mouse. And that's it, guys. That's how I do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.